Ever wondered how long it takes to build a spaceship? From the sleekest rockets to the mightiest spacecraft, how much time does it truly take to bring these marvels of engineering to life? Well, the answer isn't as straightforward as you might think. It varies wildly depending on the type of spacecraft, its mission, and the level of technology involved. Let's take a trip down memory lane. The early days of space exploration were marked by monumental efforts and painstakingly slow progress. The Soviet Union's Sputnik 1, the world's first artificial satellite, took years to design, build, and launch. It was a testament to human ingenuity, but it also highlighted the immense challenges involved in space exploration. Modern space race, fast forward to the present, and the pace of space exploration has accelerated dramatically. Companies like SpaceX are revolutionizing the industry with reusable rockets and ambitious missions. Their Falcon 9 rocket, for instance, can be refurbished and relaunched in a matter of months. This rapid turnaround time is a testament to advancements in technology and manufacturing processes. Factors affecting build time. Several factors influence the time it takes to build a spacecraft. Complexity of the mission. A simple satellite designed to orbit Earth might take a few years to build, while a complex spacecraft destined for Mars could require a decade or more of development. Technological advancements. As technology progresses, the time it takes to design and build spacecraft decreases. New materials, advanced manufacturing techniques, and powerful computers all contribute to faster development cycles. Funding and resources. Adequate funding and resources are crucial for building spacecraft. Delays in funding can significantly impact project timelines. Testing and validation. Rigorous testing is essential to ensure the reliability and safety of spacecraft. This process can be time-consuming, especially for complex missions. Case study: the James Webb Space Telescope. One of the most ambitious space telescopes ever built, the James Webb Space Telescope, took decades to develop. Its intricate design, advanced instruments, and precise alignment required meticulous engineering and testing. The project faced numerous challenges, including budget constraints and technical difficulties, which contributed to its extended development timeline. So, how long does it really take to build a spaceship? The answer, as we've seen, is multifaceted. It depends on a myriad of factors, from the complexity of the mission to the availability of resources. While some spacecraft can be built and launched in a matter of years, others may take decades to come to fruition. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.